China promoted by the Western media. Oh no. The real China should be like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to China. From the imperial palaces of Beijing to the skyscrapers of Shanghai, experience the unique blend of past and future. Enjoy your time in China.
I can fix that.
There are some things you can only see in China, and they're kinda insane. Let's start with the tech. In malls or subways, you'll find facial recognition lockers. Just scan your face to store stuff. Want to pay? Just use your face or even your palm. No phone, no wallet, nothing. And get this, food deliveries come by drone. If you're in a hotel, robots bring meals to your door. AI isn't just playing chess, it's also your waiter, your receptionist, even your tour guide. Now let's talk about safety. I can leave my phone on a cafe table or in my back pocket, walk away, and guess what? Still, do you know what China speed really means? It's not hype, it's crazy fast, like, did that really just happen? Fast. In the US, fixing a small bridge takes 2 years minimum. In Beijing, a bridge twice the size, done in 43 hours. Friday night they closed it. Sunday afternoon, back to normal. By Monday, commuters didn't even realize it was rebuilt. During the pandemic, China built a fully usable hospital in just 10 days. That's not just construction, that's power. In Fujian, a train station was literally moved overnight. 1.5 kilometers of rail, 1,500 workers, done before sunrise, like it never happened. But here's the deal. China's speed isn't just about infrastructure. It's in AI, robotics, smart factories, electric cars. China is the heart of the world's supply chain. Want to keep up? You gotta move fast too. That means less money for our ships, jets, tech. Plus, we'd mess up trade, 700+ billion a year with Europe. But when we stay neutral, we can do business with everyone. 3. It's not our vibe. Alliances pull you into war. China's about peace, not power games. We've always walked our own path, calm but never afraid. You think not joining alliances makes us weak? Right now, China's an industrial monster, bigger than all of G7 combined. Steel, energy, missiles, AI drones, 6th-gen jets. We've got it. Bottom line, staying non-aligned is our smartest move. Because when you're strong enough, you don't need allies. You are the power. Was China's rise in manufacturing really just luck? Let's take BYD as an example. Today, BYD ranks number 2 in the global EV battery industry, surpassing Japan's Panasonic and catching up to South Korea's LG. Only CATL stands ahead, but BYD's ambition goes far beyond batteries. In 2022, BYD became the world's top seller of new energy vehicles, surpassing Tesla. It's also the second largest phone manufacturer in the world, just behind Foxconn. When the pandemic broke out in 2020, BYD mobilized over 3,000 engineers, drafted 400+ equipment blueprints in just 3 days, and developed 100 mask production lines within a week, becoming the largest mask factory on the planet. BYD is not just a car company, it's the future factory of made in China. Do you really know how powerful China is? In just the past year, China has completely reshaped global expectations, militarily, technologically, and geopolitically. And nobody saw it coming. Take this. In the India-Pakistan conflict, Pakistan used China's J-10CE fighters, which the West mocked as inferior, and shot down 6 Indian jets, including 3 Rafales. Clean sweep. Then came the moon. June 2024, Chang'e 6 landed on the far side and returned with nearly 2 kilos of lunar soil. NASA asked for a share. China said no. A few months later, China launched an intercontinental missile 12,000 kilometers into the Pacific. A record. The world was stunned. At the Zhuhai Air Show, China showed off tech no one expected. AI jets, robotic wolf packs, hypersonic missiles, stealth drones, unmanned warfare. China's now light years ahead. They even built the world's first working oblique detonation engine, hitting Mach 16 or 20,000 km per hour. That's a Beijing-LA flight in 20 minutes. And the US predicted this would change warfare forever. If anyone could build it, China did. And energy? China now leads the world in nuclear reactors, 102 and counting. Their artificial sun fusion project is almost ready. If it works, we're talking about unlimited clean energy, a sci-fi future made real. Now, if you followed this far, even the most skeptical mind should realize one thing. China's power isn't about showing off. It's about focus, patience, and peace. Just because we don't make noise doesn't mean we're weak. And whether the world accepts it or not, China is rising to the very top again, and nothing can stop it.